I've been talking a lot about ChatGPT, but I just found ChatPDF and I have no words. Let me just show you ChatPDF. Just type in ChatPDF, hit enter. It's the very first one. All you have to do is go and grab a PDF. Now, before I do that, this is a PDF that I did. I uploaded this PDF by two authors, Sandy Oliver and Sophia Duncan, about looking through the Johari window. And the moment I uploaded it, it gave me example questions that I could ponder. And then I just said, will you give me an outline for this article? Like, I'm going to actually read the article, but it gave me an outline so that I could actually discuss this. So let's try this. Let's go find a PDF, put it somewhere nice. Let's grab this one. It's uploading the PDF. Bam. It says, welcome to the informative PDF file on visioning strategy through the Johari window. This tool can help you discover critical unknowns in a rapidly evolving context, whether you're in the intelligence community or the business world. Here are 3 example questions you might have about this file. Nice. Now I'm going to say, let's just say, give me an outline of this article. Now, this one's saying I can't. Yes, you can. Outline article. I know it can. You see, it's doing it. It's giving me the introduction, so you can look through. This one is very similar. You have to push sometimes, just like ChatGPT, you have to push it a little bit. It gives me the risk-oriented Johari window and strategy formulation. Let's just look. This article doesn't seem to be as long as the other article. And then it has the notes. So it did exactly what I wanted. Now, I have gone and asked it to summarize it, and sometimes it gets mad at me. Summarize article. And it did it. Sometimes it doesn't. So this time it actually summarized it for me, which was kind of interesting. Let's just make it just slightly bigger for the article. But it did summarize it here. Let's see if it will add more topic questions for discussion. See? Giving me more questions. So this I highly, highly recommend, especially if you are in a cohort where you have to read a lot. We do what we in our master's and doctorate programs, or even in your undergrad, we do what we call scholarly scans. So the scholarly scan, this is a way to do that. Now, I still recommend that you read it. I have ideas on how you can have a PDF reader while you're driving down the freeway. But I highly, highly recommend you jump into this. Now, I had no idea this was out there, so I'm going to have fun with it. I like reading the peer-reviewed articles, but I also, sometimes you get stuck with ideas on maybe questions you want to ponder or talk about. This will give you some ideas, and then maybe you can come up with your own questions too. Have fun with ChatPDF, almost a ChatGPT, but you can use that too. You can take the article outline and say, create more questions, have fun with both of them. And thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. Please comment, tell me how you are using ChatPDF. Make sure you like and subscribe and come back often. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day.